I shared this information with this particular guy, and he made 124,000 naira, as you can see the chart right here. I want you to open your phone or laptop, then follow the step-by-step guide that I want to teach you to start any passive income with zero capital. Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun here. I want to teach you how you can start making 100k monthly with zero capital in this video, right? So there's a particular platform just like a Binance, they're an exchange like Binance, all right? I know that you should know Binance, and if you do not know Binance, all you need to do is just to go to google.com, just type in binance.com. So the platform is just like a Binance, but the name of the platform is Mara. So Mara are just coming just like they just want to launch their platform. But right now they are doing awareness. All right. They want everybody to know about what is Mara, what Mara does. Okay. So now that is why this platform is now doing something. I can call it a giveaway by, tell your friend about Mara, let your friend know about Mara, then you earn reward for doing that. Okay, so you don't need to spend a dime, you don't need to, put money on it. So everything is just for free and you get paid. People are earning on this platform every day, right? People are earning. I've seen people that earn 63,000, even up to 300,000 naira. So people are actually earning. Just like, look at this guy now. Well, just watch this video.
Hi guys, this is one of our lucky users, a user in Mara. We told you guys, if you are a user in Mara and you're telling other people about Mara, you'll be paid. These guys have made $1 anywhere. He has made more. They will pay you $1 per user. And all you need to do is simple. Send your link out. We are creating awareness about Mara. Tell the world about Mara. He was just doing that, and now he has won a phone. So our users are getting gifts, our champions are getting gifts. This guy, what do you have to say about Mara?
I'd love to say about Mara. First, my name is Enemona Wilson. When my friend referred me to Mara, that was last 2 weeks ago. I won't thought that was a joke because a lot of platforms that we used to do is not really okay. Like if we do it, that is till a month, then everything you have to that is a scam. But this one, I was really surprised this morning that I have a call and they said I've already won 38,000. Here you can see it's very well. Now I'm here for the presentation and I'm very glad. I hope I'm going to explore and refer more people tomorrow. By God grace. Thank you very
Now
much.
you said something when we were off camera. You said when you told some of your friends, they even told you not to come. That,
Yeah, it was a scam. At first, I said there's no harm in trying. So and then came and this is what I got. Thank you, Mara. I really appreciate it.
So, guys, all you tell you is tell the world about Mara. Mara is here, and we are here for good.
Yeah.
You make money, lots of gifts, lots of support. What are we saying? Just go tell the world what is Mara. It's an exchange, an upcoming exchange. Okay, let me speak pidgin. If you don't know wetin be exchange, an upcoming payment system, upcoming bank. Look, the world is going, we are revolutionizing the whole world. The whole world is going digital. We are going cryptonizing the whole world. And we are modernizing Nigeria, we are modernizing Africa, we are modernizing the world. Just go look for Mara Wallet. Download the app. The person telling you about Mara Wallet will send you their code. All you need to do is download the app and you start sharing your code. Everybody's coming on board for free. Free! You're not paying a dime to become a Mara user or a Mara champion, okay? So,
Once again, thank you, Mara.
so
Come back. So now you can see what I'm talking about, the money that the guy is making. Just dash him a phone that I say thank you for helping us to show Mara platform to your friends and family. Okay, so now let me quickly teach you how you are going to do that. So you can see right here that we have two links on this screen right here, right? So the first one, so you're going to copy the first one, just go to description below. Go to description below. So the first one there, just copy it. Once you copy it, so you have to go to the your browser. go to your browser on your phone. You can do this on phone. You can also do it on a laptop, right? But before I go to the browser, if you are new on this channel, I want you to click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever we drop a valuable content like this, you will get notification from YouTube that Adeyemi Oluwaseun just drop another content. Link right here now. So what you need to do is just to browse the link, and look at this is what it will open. So it will open like this, right? So for you to see this link, go to this description below. The first link that you're going to see there, that is the link, or go to the go to the comment section. The first link on the comment section, you're going to see it there as well. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you need to do next is just to come to this place and enter the email address. All right, so you can see that I just enter one email right here now, then click on sign up. The next thing you're going to do just to click on this Google Play to install this application on your Android phone, or you come to the App Store right here to install it on your iPhone, right? This one is for Android, this one is for iPhone. Google, click on this. You can see immediately I click on that, it's come up with this Google Play Store, but this application has been installed on my phone before, right? So now what you're going to ask me to do is just to open it. So I open the app. Immediately I open the app, then it will now ask you for your email address again. So what you need to do is just to enter the same email address that you use in the first place when you paste the link on the browser. So I'm going to enter the email address right here now. Then the next thing I'm going to do right here is just to click on continue here. All right. Then you drag this. You want to drag this to this place. It depends on what you are seeing, what you see on your own. So you can see it here. You can see verify success. What you're going to do now is just to go to your email address and click on it, right? So you're going to see it in your email address just like this. I'm going to do just to click on this, so you can see it just verify my email address right here, right? So you can see it asks me to enter my name, my surname, my phone number. Then you click on this and you click on this as well, right? So once you do that, then it will now ask you to submit this information. That is when you just create your account. So immediately you fill that form, then it will show, and click on submit, it will show you this. So that's why you must enter the right phone number. So from the phone number, you are going to get a code. So just enter the code right here and follow the step as it is going. All right, so now after you have done the whole stuff, then you're going to open the app and see that you're already in the app, and immediately you sign up, you are going to get $2 import. Don't refer, don't do anything. There is a particular thing that you need to do right here. Why? You can see that on this place I have something that is showing a champion right here. You will not see it on your own. There is a particular something that you must do, because even without, because if you start sharing this platform, even if you share it with 10 million people, you will not earn a dime. All right, you will not earn, and the sign up, you will not earn a dime. But there's something that you need to do for you to get this champion tag. All right, there's something that you need to do for you to get this champion tag. So what you're going to do right now is just to description below again. The second link, you are going to see this link there. That is the second link. You are going to see it in the description below or in the comment section. The first comment there, it has been tagged. All right, so just copy this link, the second link right here. Without doing this, you will not earn a dime. So just copy it and go to your browser. So when you paste it on your browser, so you're going to see it, the information just like this. It means you want to apply for the champion tag, right? And how you want to get paid. So you need to put your information there, right? So now what you're going to do is just to put your full name. That's full name that you put on your Mara account when it asks you to create your account. Then the email address that you use to created your Mara account, you put the email address here. Then the primary phone number that you use, especially those of you that are using two numbers. So you put the alternative here so that if they want to call you and they are unable to reach you via the first one, so they'll be able to call you through the second one. Then the date of birth, you put your date of birth right here. Make sure that you use original date of birth. Then home address, make sure that you use real home address, that is contact address. Then the city, local government, the state. Right here, if you click on this, you can see that we have a bunch of all the states in Nigeria here. Okay, then you have a private ID card. So here you can use NIN, but the NIN that you can use is the plastic one. You cannot use the paper one, right? Then you can use any one of the four right here. So then so you upload it here. So you just need to choose it. Okay, I want to use NIN or I want to use a driver license. Okay, so now then you choose wherever it is. You just click, make sure that you have it in your phone. Make sure maybe you can snap it. All right, you can snap it and you just need to click this choose file. Then it will take you to your gallery, right? So and you pick it there. Then the signature, what you need to do about the signature is just that you take a piece of paper, you sign on it, you're going to put your signature on it and snap it with your phone. Then you click on this choose file, then it will come up with it. So then you click on next. So on that next, so once you click on next, they ask for little information there. Questions, the questionnaire. So once you do that, you submit this. That's all, right? So immediately you submit, you need to contact me back because I need to submit your name, email address, and your phone number to Mara Official that I ask you to send to me after you submitted the form. Your name, your email address, and the phone number. You need to send it to me, and I will now send it to Mara Official. So this is how this platform works. So how you can now earn more money on this platform, I will share the tips with you in my group. So just go to the description, all right, below. You are going to see my group link, my Telegram group there. So join the group. I'll be sharing the tip on how to get more people without any stress, right? So this is exactly what I have for you guys right here today. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun, and to go to the comment section below and type in I can do this, I can make money with this. New on this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that you'll be getting updates immediately we drop a valuable content like this. Bye.